Hello out there, welcome to this tutorial on order of operations. In this video, we are going to be applying the rule of BODMAS. First, we need to get the meaning of BODMAS. B stands for bracket. Bracket is also known as parenthesis. O stands for orders, and these orders will be having powers or indices or exponentials. Then D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction, and that is all. Note that it represents the correct order in which different operations must be followed to solve a problem with such operations. Now we go ahead to solve some problems. Problem 1. Evaluate 8 plus 5, open bracket, 8 plus 5 times 2, close the bracket, minus 200. In solution to this problem, we are going to apply BODMAS. And if you look at this, we have brackets. So we are going to operate what we have inside the bracket first. So we start with the bracket. And inside the bracket, we have two operations there. This is addition and multiplication. Since M comes before A in BODMAS, we are going to be dealing with multiplication. Therefore, we have our 8 plus 5, then open bracket, 8 plus 10. Since 5 times 2 gives 10, we close the bracket, minus 200. Then the next thing here now, we still go further to finish completely what we have inside the bracket. So we have 8 plus 5, then 8 plus 10 gives 18, and this bracket means multiplication. So we are going to have it as times 18, then minus 200. Now we go ahead to look at multiplication, since multiplication comes before addition and subtraction in BODMAS. So we'll be operating 5 times 18. So we still keep our 8, then plus 5 times 18 gives 90, minus 200. Again, we clear the addition operations. So we have 8 plus 90 giving us 98 minus 200. This will automatically give us negative 102. And that is the end of solution to problem 1. We then go to problem 2. For problem 2, solve 8 times 12 divided by 6 plus 3 squared minus 9. To find solution to this problem, we are still going to apply the rule of BODMAS. So in our solution, we have no brackets in the problem, but we have order, that is 3 raised to power 2. That is the order we have there. So we evaluate that one first. We are still going to have 8 times 12 divided by 6 plus 9. Since 3 squared is 9, then we have minus 9. Then we go ahead now to deal with the other operations. The next operation we are going to look at is division, because division comes before multiplication. So we'll be looking at 12 divided by 6. So we now have 8 times 2. Since 12 divided by 6 gives 2, we now multiply the 2 by 8, then plus 9 minus 9. The next operation we are going to be dealing with there is multiplication. Since multiplication comes before addition and subtraction, that will give us 16 plus 9 minus 9. And the next thing is addition, which is 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 gives 16. And that's the end of solution to problem 2. We go to problem 3. For problem 3, we are still going to have the solution using the rule of BODMAS. For BODMAS here, 1 order 2, 2 order 2, 3 order 2. Then we simplify what we have inside the bracket first before we deal with the final order, which is order 3. So we start with 1 squared. 1 squared is 1, then plus 2 squared, which is 4. Then we go to 3 squared, which is minus 9. Then we bracket them raised to power 3. So we still deal with what we have inside the bracket first, starting from addition. That's going to give us 5 minus 9 all to the power of 3. 5 minus 9 gives negative 4 raised to power 3. Negative 4 raised to power 3 means negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4 in 3 places. Negative 4 times negative 4 gives positive 16. Then multiply by negative 4. We have our final answer as negative 64. Then that is the end of solution to problem 3. We go to problem 4. For problem 4, we have 6 minus 4 plus 8 minus 2. In the solution, following the rule of BODMAS, we don't have brackets, we don't have orders, we don't have division, we don't have multiplication, but we have addition and subtractions. So what we do is we collect the positive terms, which is going to be 6 plus 8 minus 4 minus 2. This is the best to deal with operations involving only addition and subtraction. If there are other operations, the case is going to be different. So we start with 6 plus 8, which gives 14, then minus 4 minus 2. 14 minus 4 gives 10, and 10 minus 2 gives 8. This is the end of solution to problem 4. We then go to problem 5. Problem 5, find 2 minus 2 times 2 plus 2 divided by 2. In our solution again, we are going to apply BODMAS. So applying BODMAS, we don't have brackets, we don't have orders, we have division. So we start with division. So keeping the order values, 2 minus 2 times 2, then it is going to be plus 1. Since 2 divided by 2 gives 1. So we come back to this. We then go to multiplication. We are multiplying 2 by 2. So we have 2 minus 4 plus 1. Then we group again the addition. So we have 2 plus 1, then minus 4. 2 plus 1 gives 3, minus 4. Finally, we have our solution as negative 1 from solution of problem represented in problem 5. That is the end of solution to problem 5. This is the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.